is the brand new Nintendo Switch. This is the OLED version and I'm so excited about this. So a huge thank you to Nintendo for hooking me up with one of these. This thing has gone on a journey. So over the past couple of weeks, I was back visiting my family. We rented a cabin in Maryland, so I had it shipped there. But FedEx, for whatever reason, didn't deliver it on time. I'd already left that location, but then they decided to deliver it. I was no longer there, so then I had to have the Airbnb company ship the Switch all the way back to California. So this thing has gone all across the United States over the past couple of weeks, and it is finally here, and I could not be more excited. Normally, I play most of my video games over the holidays, so we are gearing up for video game season, and I can't wait for the new Animal Crossing update. That also means I may or may not be live streaming on Twitch again, so stay tuned for that. But let's open this up, check it out. Ah, so beautiful. Like, look at this. The white version looks so good. We've got our first Joy-Con controller. We've got our second Joy-Con controller. Here it is. Oh boy, this is so exciting. Like, the smile on my face, my face is hurting from smiling so much. Look at that. Look at this display. Look at this new little kickstand for the tabletop mode. Yeah, this is a way better design than the previous version. That's for sure. Okay, continuing on, we have the dock in the all-new white color. Look at that. This is nice. Nice little cutout there for your cables. This is all new too. Check this out, oh man. So excited about this. We've even got an Ethernet cable for our local area network. And I like that the USB ports are right there on the side now. Okay, now for the real test. Feels a little bit heavier, actually. Not like significantly, but like it feels like it's got definitely some more substance and weight to it. Oh boy, it looks so good. Yeah, okay, but just for the sake of comparing, like that is a huge difference. This looks so great. Oh, you're giving me a tutorial. I didn't understand what was happening here. Okay, let me learn how to use this. How to transfer your Animal Crossing island from one Switch to another. Oh my goodness. You'll only be able to transfer your Animal Crossing island to a new Switch if both the new Switch and old Switch are present. Okay, we've got that. So I have a lot of setup to do on this new Switch. I'm currently downloading Mario Kart, Animal Crossing, and I have the island transfer tool on here. And I don't know if you guys can see up here, but you can tell already, like there is such a color difference. This one is so much more vibrant. The screen is obviously a lot larger. I am about to hop on a flight here very shortly, and I cannot wait to take this with me and play on a plane. That's when I played my Switch the most. I mean, I beat Zelda on a plane and I was all alone and I was like celebrating in my seat and I was so excited, and like the person next to me was just like, cool, okay, good job. And I was like, yeah, I was like, I just beat the game. And he's just like, cool, are you an adult? I'm like, yep, sure am. So I've been playing with the OLED Switch for the past couple of weeks now, and I am so obsessed. I took it on a trip recently, and using this on the airplane was so awesome. It's so hard to even explain how much better it is than the previous version. Even my friend Ed, who was a little bit suspect about getting it because he didn't think it was gonna be that much of a difference, after I showed him the difference, he's like, okay, I need to get this immediately. Like, it's honestly so crisp, so clear, and having the larger screen, especially if this is something that you do play handheld, you're gonna notice a difference right away. I mean, look at this Mario Kart gameplay. Oh my gosh, it's so smooth. It's so much smoother than the previous. That was an impeccable shot. There's also something else that I just recently ordered and they just came in, so I thought I would include it in this video. These are the controllers for Super Nintendo. We have the regular NES and hold on. The N64 controller. What's exciting is with Nintendo Online, you can have access to so many old school games, and now you can actually play these games with the controllers that they were intended to be played on. How exciting. Like, this is so great. I can't wait to play Mario 64 using the Nintendo 64 controller. I can't wait to play Mario Kart 64. I want to play Zelda. I'm gonna play all of the things that I possibly can. This feels like my childhood. Why I love Nintendo 64 so much is because I felt like I was a little bit older, so I actually really understood video games so much more, and this controller is so iconic. Oh my goodness. What a controller. So I'm gonna dock my Switch, get this all synced up, and play a Nintendo 64 game on my TV in 2021. All right, here we go. I've got my N64 controller and we're about to hop in here. Look at the, oh, what are we gonna play? All right, let's play Mario Kart 64. This, oh my God, the sound. This is seriously taking me back to my childhood. I freaking love it. Wow. Just want to preface this by saying this is an 8K television. Okay, here we go. It's happening. This quality is impeccable. Look at those blocks. Okay, power sliding is still a thing. This is where I learned to power slide. Okay, I gotta work on my controls a little. I'm like trying to power slide in all the places that I used to when I was a child. Oh my God, I'm so bad, I'm so bad. If I don't come in first, I'm gonna be very upset. No! Second place! This is a bunch of lies. All right, well, I'm definitely getting the hang of it. Playing Mario Kart 64 on the actual Nintendo 64 controller, it's pretty much the coolest thing ever. Wow. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so excited to keep playing the OLED Switch. It's been so much fun, and it's almost the holiday season, which means I will actually have time for video games after this crazy tech season is over. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments below what you're most looking forward to coming out this gaming season, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!